Ever walked into a home and felt like it wrapped you in a warm hug? That's the magic of Bohemian interior design. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn any plain room into a dreamy boho paradise, even if you're working with a small budget. And wait till you see the plant trick that can give your home instant boho vibes. In the next few minutes, I'll share 5 simple and affordable boho interior design ideas that will make any space feel warmer, cozier, and full of personality. Whether you're starting from scratch or just refreshing your room, these tips are easy to follow and don't need big renovations. Stick around until the end for my bonus styling hack. It's the secret most people miss. Tip number 1. Layered textures and earthy tones. The first step to creating that boho paradise look is layering textures. It's what makes the space feel rich, cozy, and full of life. Start with a natural base, such as a jute or woven rug, and then add layers. A soft cotton throw, a chunky knit blanket, and a few patterned cushions. The mix of textures instantly warms up your space. For colors, think earthy Bohemian interior design. Shades like beige, rust, olive green, or mustard yellow. These tones feel calm, natural, and timeless. And here's a quick styling tip. Mix at least 3 different textures in one seating area. For example, a woven rug, a velvet cushion, and a knitted throw. This creates that effortless boho style you see in designer homes. Up next, I'll show you the one accessory that can make your space instantly Instagram-worthy. Tip number 2. Statement boho accent pieces. Boho style is all about personality, and nothing adds more character than statement accent pieces. Look for woven wall hangings, rattan chairs, or rustic wooden stools. These instantly say Bohemian without overpowering your space. You don't have to buy everything new. Thrift stores, flea markets, and even Facebook Marketplace are gold mines for unique finds. And here's my favorite budget trick. Buy a second-hand piece and give it a quick DIY makeover. A coat of matte paint or a new cushion cover can completely transform it. Coming up, I'll share my $10 marketplace secret for finding those hidden gems. Tip number 3. Greenery and nature. Inside. One of the easiest ways to bring life into your Bohemian decor is by adding greenery. Plants like monstera, snake plant, or pothos not only look beautiful, but they also purify the air and make your home feel fresh. Style them in woven baskets, clay pots, or hanging macrame planters to keep the earthy boho vibe going. And if you don't have a green thumb, dried pampas grass in a simple vase is a perfect low-maintenance alternative. Next, let's talk about how to mix patterns like a pro without making your space look too busy. Tip number 4. Pattern play and mix. Pattern mixing is where your boho style comes alive. Start with a neutral base, beige walls or a plain sofa, and then layer in patterns through rugs, cushions, and wall art. Mix tribal prints, Moroccan rugs, and patchwork textiles to create depth and interest. The secret is balance. Pair bold patterns with calm solids so the room feels collected, not cluttered. And just wait. In a moment, I'll show you how a $5 pillow cover can transform your whole room. Tip number 5. Layered lighting. Lighting sets the mood in a Bohemian home. Instead of one overhead light, layer floor lamps, table lamps, lanterns, and fairy lights to create a warm, inviting glow. Use warm-toned bulbs or dimmable lights to adjust the ambiance from bright and lively to calm and relaxing. Bonus tip: rattan or wicker lampshades cast beautiful patterns on the walls, adding that extra touch of magic. Bonus tip: remember that plant trick I teased earlier? Here it is. dried pampas grass. It lasts for years, needs zero care, and instantly adds height, texture, and movement to your space. Plus, it works with every boho color palette. Now imagine walking into your home and being greeted by warm colors, soft textures, gentle lighting, and the calming presence of nature. That's the heart of Bohemian interior design, a space that feels as good as it looks. Which of these ideas will you try first? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear. And if you want to see how I transformed a tiny bedroom into a full boho sanctuary on a budget, click here next.